we're gonna unbox it, so here it goes. Wow. And it's another box. So this is like one of the top rice cookers supposedly in Korea. It's supposed to have a lot of really cool functions. Let's check it out. This is the twin pressure model RT0609F. This is the schmanciest kitchen equipment I've ever got. Comes with a little rice spoon, which is great because I don't know where my other one is. It comes with a little measuring cup for the rice. Very well protected. It also came with this manual, which I had looked online, comes with all of these recipes, which is pretty cool. Oops, see? Yeah. We're definitely gonna try those. Glutinous rice, brown rice, steamed rice cake, steamed rib, hard boiled cuttlefish, steak, steamed blue crab, all things we can make. Dumplings, chestnuts, congee, actual cakes. Wow. Yes, I know. Honey just looked at me like, what? Yes. Take a look. Dun, dun, dun. And she's out of the box. So this is supposed to be able to make, if I remember correctly, 6 cups raw, which turns into 12 cups cooked. And it has all these different settings, but I think we're gonna have to plug her in for the full effect here. Let's see. High pressure, non-pressure, warm, preheat, and look at how it also has it in the Korean characters. Menu, it's digital. Look at turbo mode. First things first. Here's our rice bowl. Ooh, it comes with a little steamer rack so we can steam veggies. It's beautiful on the inside. Check that out. Ooh. Very cool. And one of the cool things about this, so yes, it can hold 6 cups. And there's, oh, check this out. It even has porridge, thin porridge, and it tells you how much rice and water you need. Porridge is like congee. Sushi rice, glutinous rice, regular rice. If you like rice, this is a rice cooker. Okay. It's gonna take a little adjusting compared to the rice cooker I used to have, which was very awesome. It's just, you know, more on the simple side. Now that we've gotten all into Korean cooking.
안녕하세요. 쿠쿠입니다. 음성 가이드로 더욱 편리하게 쿠쿠하세요.
So she talks to you too in Korean. Of course, you can change that to English if you want to, but since I want to learn, I thought this would be awesome. And she has like all these settings.
우압 백미.
I'll have to learn. Non-pressure rice. 우압 백미.
우압찜. 시간 버튼으로 요리 시간을 맞춘 후 우압 주사
Baby
버튼을
food.
눌러주세요.
We can make baby food with it. Not that we'll need that for a few years, but
우압 백미.
yeah. So we'll get to know it, but lots of cool settings. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want more content like this. What I'm really excited to be doing with this, which you'll get a sneak peek I'm sure of later, is infusing medicinal mushrooms and herbs like our mushroom latte blends in some of these dishes. So stay tuned and see you next time.